Frizz is what that poof is. So, in order to get rid of frizz, you always want to make sure that you're doing several different things to take away frizz. Or you want to make sure you shampoo and condition correctly, bringing moisture in. Because what happens is when the hair is thirsty and dry, it will reach out into the atmosphere for any type of humidity. You'll also get static if the air is very dry without humidity. That's going to also cause frizz. The way you take away that frizz is by feeding your hair moisture. So you want to use a lot of things that increase moisture. And that's really the trick to keeping frizz away, is to doing everything you can to keep your hair moisturized so it's not looking out into the air to grab moisture. It's already locked in.